Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do another reading with B. I am at Chief Logan State Park in West Virginia, and I just did a reading with B. Got a message, and she's not done. So, this is her message. Oh, all right. What else, B? A scenic route through the heart is a wonder of all things known to man. This wonder is more important than anything else on the face of the earth, for it is connected to all. It is one with all. It is light. It is love. It is alone not. This love is to be spread amongst humanity. This is what it was meant for. This was its aim. The totality of the impact of all love that exists on the planet is the most powerful force of humankind. This captivates and lures in the many who become attracted to the light. So know not that you are humane, and know that you will always be at oneness with thy soul, thyself, and all